how to enable the MKV reader inside Vegas Pro version 18. So here's an MKV extension video, and if I drag and drop it onto the timeline, notice it's not accepting it. If I go here to open and open that MKV video, I get this message: an error occurred while opening one or more files. Okay, so let's go here to options, preferences, file IO, and check the last one, enable MKV reader. But notice it's experimental, so it might not work correctly. Close this with OK, and you have to restart Vegas Pro. OK, close Vegas and open Vegas once again. After Vegas opened, drag the same MKV video file. Notice this time it's reading it. At least it seems to be reading it, but because if I go on top of it, notice it's showing 1 or 2 frames and it's not successful. So this function of reading MKV video files inside Vegas Pro is experimental, and it might not work with every MKV video.